Hey guys, welcome to the new lecture series on waves. In this first lecture, I will be giving basic introduction about Fourier series and its application as simple as possible. Sine waves are pretty popular and simple, but the coolest part about them is you can add them together to do other things, which sounds simple until you realize this is how in 2018 Nobel Prize in Physics was won. If you have heard about sine wave, then you probably would have heard about square, triangle and other type of waves that can be generated by adding simple sine wave together. This concept came from an early theory called epicycle theory, which was first originated to explain the motion of planets circling around the Earth, as it was a failure as Earth is not in the center, but it taught us many things. I will be talking about this theory in a later lecture. Now, if you think about it, we can say that the most of the function which we have learned so far can be represented as a summation of one function, which can be demonstrated using simple circles with different radii and velocity at which circle is rotating. That's great. That's what Fourier series tells you. It is a periodic function composed harmonically related sinusoids combined together to form a new function. And what about the application? The various application includes signal processing of image, sound, vibration analysis to reduce wear and damping oscillation, cryptanalysis to breaking of the code, and many others. That's all for introduction.